I wanted to make a knife on my CNC machine because I thought it would be just a fun project to do and a great test of my CNC machine's capabilities. Yeah.
I sound like crap in this part because I, well, feel like crap. So I'm just gonna kind of go through the knife process. First of all, I found a knife online and I thought this kind of looked cool. And then I put it into Fusion, but I wanted it a little longer. So that's the bed size of the original CNC. We'll get to that in a second. And then I kind of stretched it out and made it, I don't know, this shape. I gave it some curves, I thinned it up a little bit later. Then I made it shorter because I realized it wouldn't actually fit on the CNC bed, even though it should have on its diagonal. And luckily, it was my birthday recently, the 25th. Yay, I'm 18 years old now. I can, like, gamble or stuff. But anyways, my dad, who also has a YouTube channel, go check it out. He got me a pretty cool gift. So this is the 3018 Pro from Jinmitsu, the CNC machine I had before, and he got me a bit of an upgrade for it. So now it essentially turns it into the 3040, and it is now way bigger, and it fits the knife now.
This is a piece of aluminum railing. We put this up around our house, and this was a scrap piece of it that we had left. Now, I know aluminum isn't the strongest material and best material, especially for something like a knife, but this is basically the only metal that I have lying around that's able to be machined on my CNC machine. So we're gonna use it, and I'm gonna get my face shield and whatever, and we're gonna cut a piece of this out. So I have on my face protection, just gonna put a disclaimer up here because I feel like it might be a little appropriate too. Don't do this at home. I'm a professional. I'm a professional. Yeah, all right. Honestly, it turned out better than I thought it would. I mean, I kind of scratched it up a little bit here, but it still didn't turn out too bad. I feel like I can fix this up a little bit and have it be nice, but yeah.
I have the aluminum chucked into the CNC machine, and this is the method I use. I have an 1/8 inch piece of plywood underneath, and I have 2 pieces of masking tape, one that runs along it, and then the other one that runs along the back of the metal. Used super glue to attach them together. Hopefully it works. We're gonna try. I have it zeroed out, and yeah, let's get to cutting. Just gonna quickly mention, it took me a bit to get to this point. Lots of trial and error of the CNC machine, so I'd appreciate it if you dropped a like, subscribe. Ah, man. Okay, yeah, watch the video. It's going off the edge a little bit. I should have trimmed down the lip on the aluminum more. I thought I could line it up better. I guess I didn't. But the handle, and also the first time I tried it, I actually broke a bit. This is the second time around with some stuff changed. And yeah, I'll show you when it's about done. Another bit broke. First time, you know, figured whatever, it's fine. This time I'm a little pissed off, and this video has taken too long to make already, so I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna have to cut the rest of it out by hand. Like, there we go. Knife cut. It looks pretty good. Also, I'm in the bathroom now, and I have a haircut, so it kind of breaks the continuity of the video, if it even had any in the first place. I don't know, man. So, yeah, there you go. We have a knife now. It looks pretty decent. You know, like, if a prisoner had this, I'm sure they would just be overjoyed. Like, this is like prime grade prison weapon, right? Like, I'd say they like this, right? This is my home, the trash can. Now, the handles right now look a little scuffed after all the handling, so just some of my hands touching after WD-40. I thought a good way to maybe coat them up and make them look nice and maybe add some functionality to the knife was add some Flex Seal. And also I just thought it'd be a funny meme. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I think the knife handles turned out pretty good, actually. I was surprised. I might use this Flex Seal in a future project. We're going to be testing the knife. I tried doing some sanding and polishing on it, and it looks fairly decent. It's got some reflections on it and a few scratches, including that big dent. I wanted to get it thinner, but I just didn't think that it would hold up well, especially since, like, look how much flex it has already. And I tried doing some sharpening on it, and I was supposed to have my stepdad help me, but I just want to get this video out here. So we're gonna be trying this apple. So let's get to it. It's in. It did it. It's in. I mean, yeah, this is, oh, look at that. It's not the worst knife. It's better than using like a butter knife. Let's just try and get in. Yeah, there we go. It kind of tears through this. Well, in conclusion, I think I learned a lot in this video, and I want to do kind of a follow-up of this sometime in the future. Me and a YouTuber friend of mine wanted to do a collaboration on this, so stay tuned. So thank you for watching. Don't make knives out of aluminum. Don't follow any advice from this video as well, because this if you thought this was a tutorial on making knives, you were dead wrong. Catch you in the next one.